Hi, this is tkviper, and today we're going to learn to count from 1 to 10 in Cantonese. Let's go. Yat, yi, Saam, say, Luk, tsatt, Baat, gao, sub. Yat, yi, Saam, say, Luk, tsatt, Baat, gao, sub. Now let's practice the word 1. It's yat, spelled Y-A-T, but the T is muted, so don't say T at the end. Let's practice, and please mimic my intonation. Yat, 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 yat. Now let's practice the word 2. It's yi, spelled Y-I. Please mimic my intonation, and let's practice. Yi, 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 yi. Now let's practice the word 3. It's Saam, spelled S-A-A-M. A-A means you pronounce it longer and with a bigger mouth. So Saam instead of Sum, which is spelled S-A-M. Now mimic my intonation and let's practice. Saam, 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 Saam. Now let's practice the word 4. It's say, spelled S-E-I. Please mimic my intonation and let's practice. Say, 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 say. And now let's practice the word 5. It's or spelled M or NG, which is a nasal sound. Please mimic my intonation and let's practice. Now let's practice the word 6. It's Luk, spelled L-U-K. The K is muted at the end, so don't say K. Please mimic my intonation and let's practice. Luk, 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 Luk. Now before we practice the pronunciation of 7 in Cantonese, we must clarify the CH sound in Cantonese. It's really a TS sound. Not like the English CH where you round your lips and say ch. It's more like ts. The word 7 is tut, spelled T-S-A-T, but some books will say C-H-A-T. It's not chut, it's tut. Now let's practice the word 7. It's tut, spelled T-S-A-T. In some books they will say C-H-A-T, but don't round your lips. It's TS sound. So please mimic my intonation and let's practice. Tut, 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 tut. Now let's practice the word 8. It's Baat, spelled B-A-A-T. 2 A's means pronounce it longer and with a bigger mouth. Baat, instead of but, as in B-A-T. Please mimic my intonation and let's practice. Baat, 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 Baat. Now let's practice the word 9. It's gao, spelled G-A-U. Please mimic my intonation and let's practice. Gao, 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 gao. Now let's practice the word 10. It's sup, spelled S-A-P. Please mimic my intonation and let's practice. Sup, 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 sup. Now let's practice the word for 0. It's Ling, spelled L-I-N-G. Please mimic my intonation and let's practice. Ling, 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 Ling. And finally, we're gonna test your skills. Please get a piece of paper and a pencil and write down the numbers I'm about to say. Ready? Go. Yat Saam Yi Gao Saam Say Ling Tsatt Luk Baat Say Gao Sap. Please check your answer below. And that wraps it up for this lesson. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, tell your friends about me, and come visit me at tkviper.com. Make a donation if you wish to support my work. I'll catch you guys next time.